What is that? Is that snow? Yeah, it's snow. This is gonna be fun. You already know. If it's snowing, it means that that's getting taken out. Alright, my friend. Something I said I'd never do, but I got the balls to do it today. Out here going for a little walk, enjoying the nice winter weather because we finally have it. I'm back from Ohio and this place transformed overnight. It's so crazy how snow can be so influential on the appearance of things. You know, just throw a bunch of white on everything and it suddenly is a whole new place. I love it. And of course, if there's wintry weather, you already know. We gotta bust out the SUV and try and go sideways. It's like a tradition at this point. The roads are mostly plowed throughout this area, but I can see from here a parking lot that's got a perfect corner for us to slide on. I myself am a tad bit sick, but you know, when you're sick and tired of being quarantined because you think you might have COVID, but no one has test kits available because everyone panicked, you know, you gotta make do with what you got. So now we're gonna go sideways. You ready to go sideways, buddy? Huh? Hey, you ready to go drifting? Go for a ride? Oh, he's ready. Let's do it. Look, you're on this side. Man, it's dark in here. Hey, that's my seat. What are you doing? This is your seat.
Daddy, I'm cold. I don't want to be outside.
Oh boy. Door sealed shut. Oh, there we go. Alright, go to your side because it's cold. He's like sitting, he's like,
Father, what have you done?
yeah. Good old reliable truck. I'm going to be here a while though because everything in the grandma has to heat up right now. I don't have anything to clean my windows off with. You may have to just ghetto it and roll the window down. It's pretty cold outside when the Pajero got belt squealing from how cold it is. We were under a pretty crazy winter storm advisory. But man, I'm so excited. I've wanted to do something off-roady with this thing since I got it running again. And yes, I gotta catch you guys up on the story with the front end of this truck. It's not still 100% yet, but we are much better off now than we were before, which is why I'm comfortable with us going down there and trying to see if we can smack around a couple of ringers. We'll see. As the truck continues to heat up and I regain the feeling in my hands by putting my hands on the AC vents for this heat, to give you some backstory, the truck went down in December, right before I left for my little vacation. I went to go see John in Ohio. We had a pretty good time. And long story short, there are so many things wrong. Either the guys who fixed this truck lied to the importer, or the importer himself wasn't honest with me, but the front shocks were completely shot. They were not KYBs at all. So they're now been replaced with Bilsteins. All the bushings in the front had been replaced. They're now brand new. The steering rack is straight now. Like, this thing feels solid. I feel like I could go trailing in it right now. But I gotta say, just as like, you know, a brother to another kind of thing, really, really happy with where this truck is going. And the guys at the shop, shout out to Chaos Fab, are really excited to work on this thing some more in the future, including some things like lighting rigs, maybe some more off-road suspension parts. Like, there's a lot that we're gonna work on with them in the future. They treated me really well. They took good care of me. So as a result, I'm gonna try to help take care of them here on the internet and with my wallet. But now that this thing has warmed up just a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try and see if we can put this thing sideways. You ready, buddy? Yeah? Marla's just looking at me like, I don't know what's happening, Dad, so you tell me. Oh, look at that. Bunny friends. I guess they got cold too. Alright, so as you can tell, this is pretty icy, so I don't know if this is going to be very successful, but we're going to give it a shot. We're going to try. god. This is fun, dude. Well, I can happily say that the Pajero is a lot of fun in the snow, but unfortunately, I definitely am cooking my belts up a little bit, so I'm gonna be nice to it for the remainder of this video. A lot of people have been asking to see more content with this car, the Laurel, but as you can tell, it's not going anywhere anytime soon because the engine bay is covered in snow. Had I known it was going to snow, I would have tried to put a tarp on it, something. That way we could actually like try to slide it around in the snow. So to make up for it, I'm going to go get the Evo and do something I said I'd never do because I'd be too scared to do it in case I would damage the bumper. But spoiler alert, I have a Japanese bumper on the way. So let's go get the Evo, start her up, see what she got. All right, my friend. Something I said I'd never do, but I got the balls to do it today. Here we go. Already have some mild regrets. I forgot to mention this thing needs an oil change pretty badly. So this will be the last fun thing we do on this oil. And then, yeah, definitely going to do an oil change. But while this heats up, I'm going to get snow off. Let's see what we can do here. With the little battery that's left, let's see if we can pull this out. More, I hope you can forgive me. Camera died, so I'm using my phone. But that was a lot more fun than I thought it would be. And I actually did get a good rotation there in the end. I don't know if the camera caught it because obviously I haven't edited anything yet. But oh man, I get it now. I get it. What do we guys find cul-de-sacs and just go for it because that's a lot of fun. And we'll definitely have some fun with the reels on that one. Hi, buddy. Yeah, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yes. To see if hopefully we got some decent footage. Otherwise, this whole video will be a meme against me and my craptastic camera angles. Without further ado, God bless you guys. And we'll see you next time. Peace.